And today he's looking at Toolsmart. That's Toolsmart.ai. It's a free paraphrasing tool, which sounds a bit boring, but if you're a content creator, you like commenting on posts, and you maybe post to blogs or general content creation anyway, this is a handy thing. It does lots of different formatting from some original text. So I was checking up on Systeme.ai. Somebody asked a question about the payment processing, and so I'll paste it in here, and I click on Paraphrase, and then it will change the text and give you the main points, and you can just copy it and use it. So you can paraphrase any text instantly with high accuracy and maintain the original context as well. So let's move across to fluency, and it does its thing, and that will change the fluency of the article depending on whether you want it to be maybe in a course, maybe as a blog post, so it would be slightly different. So that's what it's done. And Humanize, this is written with AI. So Humanize it. Okay, here's a more user-friendly explanation of using Systeme.ai. So it says, just a heads up though, it talks in a human sort of way. So I think it used to be unique where you could have something from AI and it would really stand out. Now it's the other way around. If you can humanize something, that stands out, because so many people are using AI and not putting their own brand on it or their own voice. Then there's formal, and I'll give you a nice formal version of the same text. I won't read it all out, that would be a waste of your time, but it's exciting to go and use it. So do pop along. It's Toolsmart.ai. Go to the academic one. That'll be a bunch of text. There we go. For you academics out there. Simple, if you want to simplify it, and it really does keep it short. Creative. Unlocking sales in Omen with Systeme.ai requires a bit of payment processor savvy. Hey, that's being creative. Expand, if it's you put a bit of text in, but it's just not enough to make it into a blog post, perhaps, or put something on your website or course. That'll do that for you. And you can shorten it. Yeah, that's a nice short version. That is short. Synonyms, you can adjust that, have less of them or more of them. So if you've got a word like change, you can also use adjustment, development, difference, modification, revision, shift, switch, variation. I find in the middle it's about right, but you may want to have a play around with it. It's free and it's unlimited. There's no sign up required. It certainly saves your time, it's truth. And there's no ads. So there we are. Everything you need on one page. The free paraphrasing tool. And if you'd like to go and have a look, click on the link. If you'd like to join Systeme.ai, which we were talking about there, which has a free plan, do click that under your resources. Thank you very much.